Hi, your host, Dr. Agnes Cabredo here for another session on good English. This time, in my interest to make us more articulate, more confident, and more accurate in our expressions, I'd like to discuss the verbals can and could. The other verbals I'll surely discuss in another session. So for this time, we have can and could. What is can? And how do we use this? So these are verbals. We use this meaningfully by understanding the meaning and proper use of the words can and could. Can is the present tense, past tense is could. We use this for talking about ability. For instance, can you make the meeting on Friday? Do you have the ability? Do you have the strength? Do you have the preparedness, the right attire, the interest, the enthusiasm to join the meeting? So, can you make the meeting on Friday? And the answer is, I'm sorry, I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. And I am willing to, or I sure will be at the meeting. I'm sure I'll be at the meeting. So I am capable of going to the party. I am physically in condition. I am mentally interested. I have the interest to go to the meeting. So, could you read my signature? Could is a very polite term. So you can use this instead of saying, can you read my signature? More polite, a gentler way of saying it is, could you read my signature? Yes, I could. For talking about possibility, you say, business meetings can be very boring. That's a possibility. If the manager, if the host is not prepared to conduct the meeting or has not prepared for the meeting by failing to invite the attendees, that could be a problem. Not that you say, maybe that may be a problem. Instead of saying that may be a problem, you're more articulate, you are more expressive when you say, that could be a problem. That could be a problem. Then another use of can and could is asking for and giving permission. Asking for permission or giving permission. Can I have the day off? I'm your employee. Can I have the day off? Or you tell your employee, you can leave early on Monday. You can leave early on Monday. Again, you can ask, could I have the day off? Okay. Next, making requests or offers. You want somebody to do something for you. Can I talk to you for a moment? Then politely, this is a more pleasant expression. Could you speak more slowly, please? Could you speak more slowly, please? Can I help you? Can I help you? You see, there is really very little difference between can and could when used for requests, although could is sometimes considered more polite. So, how do you want to be taken by a person, by somebody you would like to meet? So you can choose your language. If you want to be taken as a respectable, decent, honorable person, then you can say could. Say could. Session on may and might. May is the present tense, past tense is might. You use this when talking about possibility. I may go to the sales conference. I may go to the sales conference if I'm in the mood. I may not be in the office tomorrow. So that's a possibility. I may not be in the office tomorrow. Or I might go on holiday in September. These are possibilities. I might go on a holiday in September. Or I might not see you again before you go. A possibility. I might not see you again before you go. So you can feel free, may or might. Another use for may and might is for answering questions which begin with do you think? Do you think? Do you think you'd go to the sales conference? I may. Instead of perhaps. I may. Instead of perhaps. Will they agree? They might. Will they agree? They might. Again, there is very little difference between may and might, although might is sometimes considered a little less sure. May I use your phone? Of course you may. Can I use your phone in less formal? Can I use your phone is less formal. So what will you use instead? The more formal. Can is less formal, more common. But if you want people to grant your request, you'd like to ask a man to carry one sack of rice from this corner to the next building. He will do it with gladness, willingly, if you say, could you bring this sack of rice over to the next building? So the language will make a difference. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and you learned from it. Be sure to like, share, and above all, subscribe.